So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving problem number 1122. In this problem we have given array 1 and array 2. Given in the description, given two arrays ARR1 and ARR2. The element of ARR2 are distinct and all elements in ARR2 are also in ARR1. Sort the element of ARR1 such that the relative ordering of items in ARR1 are the same as in ARR2. So you can see in ARR2 there are all elements are also in ARR1. So ARR1 has all elements in ARR2 and also the extra elements. So first of all we have to add that all elements according to ARR2's list. So first of all, if there are 2, then we have to find 2 from ARR1, then we have to add that 2 in our result array, and then we have to find 1, then add it, then find 4 and 3 and 9 and 6. And also we have to post all other things which are not in ARR2. So the approach is to first of all use brute force approach like nested loops, and then add check that ARR index of that ARR2 is same contains same value in ARR1. So push that to the result array and then move forward. And at last part we will add remaining things. So also we have to assign any number, same number to that value we have to add in our result. So first of all we need an vector called res, and we need two for loops. Int I is equal to 0 and then I is less than ARR2 dot size, because we will check from ARR2 in ARR1 dot size. So ARR2 should be outside, and in nested loop we have to iterate in ARR1. J is equal to 0, J is less than ARR1 dot size J plus plus, then okay, so now we have to push that, check the condition that ARR2 of I is equal ARR1 of J. Then we have to add that ARR1 of J in result dot push back ARR1 of J. And also we have to reassign that value, like ARR1 of J is equal to -1, because our range is range starts from 0 to 100, I mean 1000. So we can use -1, and then this is the first use of our for loop. Then we have to also use another vector to get remaining elements. So we can call it rem, and in rem we have to find that we have to use only one for loop. I is equal to 0, I is less than arr1 of arr1 dot size, and I plus plus, and then we have to check that if arr1 of I is equal -1, I mean not equal -1, so it will pass the condition for the remaining part. Then we have to add that all things in ram dot push back arr1 of I, and we have to also sort them, and then we can add in ans, I mean result, sort that arr ram dot begin to ram dot end. Then we have to add that into a of ram. We have to res dot push back a, okay, and at last part we also have to return that res. Let's check our solution works or not. Okay, minor spelling mistake. So you can see our solution works. Also there is only 17 test cases. So thank you for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe.